Hello everyone, welcome to CSC 419 course. Today's topic is Introduction to Competitive Problem Solving. So let's start. What is problem solving? Problem solving is the act of defining a problem, determining the cause of the problem, identifying, prioritizing and selecting alternatives for a solution, and implementing a solution. For example, if I ask you to print 1 to 100, what will you do? You can print it 100 times without using any loop, or you can just use for or while loop, right? All of them are the solution of the same problem, but what will you choose? You will take decisions based on your preferences, like I will choose for loop because it requires less time to write. A problem can be solved in many ways, but it's necessary to know which one is appropriate. The course is actually focused on the appropriate programming problem solving skill. Why problem solving? Everybody can get benefit from having good problem solving skills. Personal growth. We all encounter problems on a daily basis. Some of these problems are obviously more severe or complex than others. It would be wonderful to have the ability to solve all the problems efficiently and in a timely fashion without difficulty. Professional growth. Problem solving is unquestionably one of the most important skills for the programmers. Other skills such as writing efficient code, effective communication, working with a team, and many others are also very important. In contest, we always have a team of 3 members and one single PC to solve set of problems with different difficulty levels. It requires problem solving ability, communicative team effort, and a good preparation to solve those problems. Here you can see the picture of the 3 members having one PC, right? So competitive programming is a must to get all these skills in one. Solving problems provides opportunity to apply for problem setters job, like HackerRank CodeShare provides these part-time job opportunities to the problem solver of different online judges. Moreover, the dream job of Google just require problem solving skills and experiences of programming contest. So guys, don't be late. Online judges, you need to register your account in these online judges, just like virtual judge. You can just search on Google, it will show you vjudge.net, then URI, Codeforces, LightOJ, CodeShape, HackerRank, HackerArt. You will just write here URI online judge. It will give you this link. Just click on the first link. Okay, this is the home page of URI online judges. First you have to sign up for the course for this online judge. I have already signed up, so I will just sign in using my Google account. So here is, I have already signed in. Here is my name. Then I need to start solving problems, right? So here is problem solving problems. So beginner problems, and here the right sign means I have solved this problem, and the cross sign means I have attempted this problem but couldn't solve it. So let's check the first problem. Read two variables named a and b and make the sum of these two variables. That means you have to take two input from the user and then just print the summation of this input. Just like user gave you 10 and 9, you have to print 19. User gave you minus 10, 4, you have to give minus 6. So taking input, you don't need to follow the formatting. You don't need to write a or b. You can give any name to your variables, but in case of output you must follow the formatting. Just like you have to write the uppercase X, then a blank space, then one equal sign, then again one blank space, then the answer. If you fail to do so, it will give you errors. So we'll talk about the errors now, but before that I want to show you the submission policy. Here in the right side you will see the source code option. Here you will paste your code. You have to select the language from this part. If you want to solve problem using Java, you have to select Java language, then paste your code here. If you use Java, your class name should be main. Then click the send button, it will be submitted. Okay. Online judge verdicts. When you submit a code, it will show you some verdicts, and if it shows you accepted, that's what we actually need. If your program is perfectly okay, it will show you accepted, but sometimes it shows other verdicts, just like presentation error. Presentation error causes when there is a problem in your output formatting. If you forget to use any blank space or any line, or if you use more than required, it will show you presentation error. So if you get presentation error verdict, try to change the formatting of your output. Runtime error. If you use array and you want to get access the array index which is out of the bound, it will show you runtime error. And also if you use for loop and a condition which never gives you false, it will cause infinite loop and then runtime error. Time limit exceed, in short we call it TLE. If your programs runs for a long time, it will show you time limit exceed, like there will be constraint, and if you use more loops than the required, it will show you time limit exceed. It actually depends on the program efficiency. Wrong answer. If you get your program is not right, it's not giving perfect output, it will show you wrong answer. Memory limit exceed. If you use more memory than required, they will give some constraint. If you use more than that, it will show you memory limit exceed, or MLE, or memory limit. Then CPU limit exceed. CPU limit exceed is just like time limit exceed. You just need to think about the efficiency of the code to get rid of this error. Then language rejected. I have already mentioned that you have to select language before submitting the code. This is a very common mistakes. Try to avoid these mistakes. So flowchart to be a competitive problem solver. So I have already mentioned everything. The first step is choose one programming language to master. Actually we will show you C++ language here to solve the problems, but that doesn't mean you can't use any other language. You can use anything, Java, Python, anything you are comfortable with, but I will teach you C++ to solve the problems. Read about basic and core concepts. I will teach the basic and core concepts of C++, some basic strategy of Java, but if you are interested in Python, you can just tell me, I will try to show that to you as well. Read, write and run. Read the problem statement, write the code and run it perfectly. Try to solve small issues using codes. There may be big problems. You just segment it smaller problems and then solve it one by one. It will help you to solve it efficiently actually. Then participate in online discussions, quizzes and contests. To evaluate yourself, it's required to participate in this contest, because if you don't participate in this contest, you can't see your rank, you can't see your positions with compared to others, so you cannot work on it. So participating in online discussions, quizzes and contests is a must for you. To be a part of programmers community, I will give you the link of Brackew programmer community. You need to join there and you can share your problems there. There will be everyone to help you, and also you can help others. This is just like help others and help yourself. Then share your problems and methods. Always try to share your thinking policy, your strategy with your friends, with the juniors and seniors. Never share your code, because it will not help anyone. If you share your knowledge with others, others will share their knowledge with you, and it will help you to enrich your thinking capability, critical thinking ability. So next class we will discuss about introduction to C++. We will learn C++ variables, data types, input, outputs and all. So that's all. Thank you.